Hi everyone! Kumusta po kayong lahat? It's a rainy morning here in Bay Area. So today I'd like to share with you the 3 different holiday cacti. Yes, there are 3 kinds of holiday cacti. We have Thanksgiving cactus, Christmas cactus, and Easter cactus. These holiday cacti are easy to grow. They have similar growth habits and care requirements. They're also available in variety of colors. Problem is, they all look alike. Now let's identify what holiday cactus do you actually have. By the way, if you're new to this channel, my name is Filipina and welcome to Gardening with Filipina. If it blooms early November and the leaves have pointed hooks on one end and along the sides like pincers, then you have Thanksgiving cactus. Christmas cactus blooms late November through early February. They have flat leaves with scalloped edges. Easter cactus displays buds in February and bloom around Easter. They have rounded scalloped leaves with soft hair. Now let's have a closer look at the leaves. This is Thanksgiving cactus. They have pointy leaves. The Christmas cactus just started showing their buds. They have scalloped flat leaves. I hope you're able to identify the 3 different types of holiday cacti. Holiday cacti are the long-lived plant our grandmothers grew. Just like the one that we have at home that came from my husband's grandmother. They are the ultimate pass-along plant that will be enjoyed for the next generations to come. I hope you like this video and thank you for watching.